Ian. Not on the floor. If you hold the cowbell. Shake your head. Cowbell. Everybody's cowbell. Listen, Ty. Cowbell. Where's your cowbell? Put the sticks down. Cowbell. Everybody together. Rhythm sticks. Let's find our sticks. Remember, we can play them up high. Remember when we did behind our back? That was hard. Let's try it again. Behind your back. Okay. Play it down low. Back and forth. Back and forth, Ian.
This time, all in the maracas.
Maracas. Softly, remember? Just softly. Not the color, just not the fire. Softly. Triangle. Who has our triangle?
Makes a ringing sound.
Just the triangle.
To the triangle.
There you go.
Makes a ringing sound.
You tap, 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 tap.
Triangle.
Oh, you gotta tap it to make the sound, Ian.
Let's make a pretty sound. Everyone can
And we can play with him. Everyone get your castanets. Here we go, castanets.
Makes a pretty sound. Makes a pretty sound. Play the castanets. It makes a pretty sound. Let's make a pretty sound. Everybody this time. Play your instruments and make a pretty sound. Play your instruments, make a pretty sound. Play your instruments and make a pretty sound.
Just play it. It's okay.
Make a pretty sound. Let's do that high-low.
High-low bar. Who's got the high-low bar? There you go.
Play your instrument and make a pretty sound. Play your instrument and make a pretty sound. Let's make a pretty sound. Last time, everybody.
Anything, Ian. You can play any instrument.
Play your instrument and make a pretty sound.
Those two don't play together. You can just pick on the triangle. One more time. What do we do next? Put them away. And how do we put them away? And we do it quietly. Remember, she says quietly. Watch.
Put your instruments away, and let's not make a sound. Put them all away, let's not make a sound. Put your instruments away, and let's not make a sound. Just lay your instruments down.
Those ones are Ian's. He'll clean those up.
Put your
Ian, you
instruments
put your
away,
instruments away.
and let's not make a sound. Put them all away, let's not make a sound. Put your instruments away. That's not like a sound. Now you can sit right